Bindu Jnana Kriya, as codified and taught by Yogamaharishi Dr. Swami Gitananda Giri, Guru Maharaj Ki, in his Yoga Step by Step, Lesson 32. Inner gazing upon an imagined spot is called Bindu Kriya and is a rudimentary form of concentration. Concentration takes on two forms, one outer, the other inner. Outer concentration is to hold the mind upon some object or thing and is usually called tratak or drishti in yoga. The object may trigger off the senses and concentration may falter. In the inner form of concentration, the mind becomes calm and the senses are left alone. Indeed, a form of pratyahara or withdrawal of the senses can come through the use of the Bindu Kriya. Deep relaxation is what we are looking for and nothing else. The Jnana Kriyas are various ways to relax in the yoga fashion, free from tension and worry of the active mind. Swamiji advises that we may decide whether we are going to sit up or lay down for relaxation. He also encourages us to try doing dharmikasana while doing this kriya. The bindu which will appear while in dharmikasana is the bindu nadi used for higher yoga practices. For the purpose of this recording, we will practice sitting up. In order to benefit from this practice, we will perform 3 rounds of Dauti Pranayama, the Mukha Bhastrika, cleansing breath. You may take up a high heel sitting posture, Vajrasana, with your buttocks on the heels kept together, knees together, hands on your thighs, orienting yourself to face the north. We will take in a deep breath, puckering our mouth out in the Kaki Mudra and blasting out the breath in multiple whooshes as we lower our torso and head to the floor. We will repeat this for 3 times. Breathe out to prepare. Breathe in a deep, full breath. Kaki Mudra. Inhale, chin up, come back to Vajrasana, full deep yoga breath. Inhale, chin up. One more time. You may now relax in Dharmikasana. Let your nose be between the knees or as close as you can. Relax your shoulders and face and bring your hands back to touch the soles of your feet. Here, fully relax and breathe as you prepare yourself to be aware, mindful, and full of care for the Bindu Jnana Kriya. As you inhale, bring your chin up and lift your torso back into Vajrasana. And here, we will perform 6 rounds of Savitri Pranayama on a 6x3 count. Breathe out to prepare. Inhaling through your nose, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. In. Hold. Out. Hold. 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 Relax. Now you may stay in the Vajrasana or decide to take up a sitting up posture for this relaxation. This could be the Vajrasana itself, the Sukhasana, or the Padmasana, for example. When you are in your posture, you may close your eyes. Tell yourself that you're going to relax. Create a soft velvety darkness as with the Akasha Kriya. Feel this velvety darkness inside of you as well as outside. This gentle, warm, velvety darkness envelops you and allows your mind to relax. Breathe. Observe if you're holding any tension in any part of your body and relax. Tell yourself to relax. Now, inside this velvety darkness, imagine a white area right in the center of it. A white area in the center of the velvety darkness. Concentrate on the spot. If this is difficult, then you can imagine that you're sitting before a black velvet drape and that you're pinning a white sheet of paper onto the drape. Concentrate on the white square for a few moments. Then take a brush and paint a circle on the white paper and gaze only at the painted circle for 3 to 5 minutes. velvety darkness, white sheet of paper pinned to it, and a black dot at its center. The Bindu, a focused point of relaxation. Concentrate on it, and every time your concentration lags, reimagine the whole sequence of drape, white paper, brush, and Bindu until the mind is in relaxed concentration. Keep your breath deep and steady, and your posture erect and alive. You are relaxing, but you're not slouching down. If thoughts come up and you become distracted, go back to the image of the black dot, the Bindu, on the white sheet of paper, on the soft, dark velvet drape. Relax your eyes, your lips, your jaw. Sit up. If you're having a hard time visualizing, you may keep your concentration in the middle of your brows. We are going to conclude this practice with the intonation and invocation of the Pranava Om.